In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcut to Google Chrome homepage browser. If you're tired of typing the same web addresses over and over, this quick walkthrough will help you set up custom shortcuts so your most used sites are always a single click away. Start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. On the new tab page, you'll see a search bar front and center. Just below it, there's a grid of site icons. Look for the tile with a plus sign that says Add Shortcut. Give it a click to open the shortcut setup window. Here, you can add the details that make the shortcut useful. In the name field, type something short and clear so you'll recognize it instantly. In the URL field, paste the link you want to open. For example, if you use Google Sheets all the time, you might name it Work and use the link sheets.new. That link instantly creates a new spreadsheet, saving you a few extra steps. Once you've filled in both fields, click Done. Your new shortcut will now appear in the grid, ready to launch with one tap or click whenever you open a new tab. If you ever need to change or remove a shortcut, it's just as simple. Hover your mouse over the shortcut tile to reveal the Options menu, then click the three dots. From there, choose to edit the name or URL if a link has changed, or remove the shortcut entirely if you don't need it anymore. Keeping this area tidy helps you spot what you need faster. Prefer a cleaner, distraction-free start page? You can hide all shortcuts with a single switch. Click Customize Chrome in the corner of the new tab page to open the customization panel, then toggle Hide Shortcuts. The entire grid will disappear instantly. You can always come back later and turn the switch off if you change your mind, and any shortcuts you've added will still be there. That's it. Your favorite sites are now just one click away, and your Chrome homepage works the way you do. Try adding shortcuts for the tools and pages you open every day, or keep things minimal by hiding them when you want a clear canvas. Either way, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra time you'll save with your new Chrome shortcuts. If this helped, go ahead and set up your first shortcut right now and see how smooth your browsing becomes.